An existing cluster is an excellent solution for local high availability, but what it doesn't provide is disaster recovery. So oftentimes what you want to do is in a single solution achieve both local high availability but also disaster recovery. SIOS enables this by allowing you to extend clusters to DR sites to achieve both high availability and disaster recovery in a single configuration. You have lots of different options when you do this, depending on the servers and the storage that you have available in your environment. So here in this first example, I have 4 servers. This is what I call a 2x2 cluster, where I have 2 servers and shared storage at the primary site. I have 2 other servers and a different piece of shared storage at the remote site. And in this case, you could fail your application between any of the 4 nodes, and SIOS would handle the real-time replication of the data from one site to the other site. So if you have an entire site outage, you've got a real-time block-level copy of your data at the remote site. This gives you both local failover at each site, as well as remote failover between data centers in the event of a disaster. Now, it doesn't have to be done that way. You might not have a second SAN at the remote site. So here I have a 3-node cluster example where I've taken an existing 2-node cluster connected to a SAN. I've added a 3rd node with local storage, and again, SIOS is going to replicate the data from the primary site to the DR site and give you that same failover capability, this time without making that investment in a second SAN. So you have a lot of different options based on the servers and storage you have available to take an existing cluster, extend that for DR, and now in a single solution have both high availability and disaster recovery.